Good morning, good afternoon, good evening to everyone going to listen this video, and to those who I have been sharing with them couple months now. My name is Ike Kayungo. And last time I raised the issue of a case I filed against Red Roof and overtaking my staff. When I came from work, I opened the door and everything is gone. I found the room empty. And the King County Superior Court of State Washington dismissed the case, and I filed the review of the case. I got the answer since August 2nd, 2021. I was waiting the time that I was waiting the defender to make a personal decision that he's allowing to do under state court rules. And almost within 1 month, but the defendant did not file it, nor motion for reconsideration, nor petition for review to oppose to the decision that the Court of Appeal judge made in my favor, which means they reverse the decision of King County Superior Court of dismissing the case in my favor. I now am in the process of continuing the proceeding in King County Superior Court, but I had the issue that I disqualified the judge who made the decision for the case because he made an act that was obviously prejudiced against me, and the appellate court supported my decision. I also on the filed also the motion to request the case for the continuance of this case, but the judge that the civil chief judge Veronica that needed to decide on providing the the case schedule orders was on my judge on my previous case in 2018 against City of Taquila. In 2018, 1 month later, I was attacked by a black slave lady while walking on the side and going to catch the King County Metro bus to go to work. The woman they pulled me down and put knife over me. The police officer and the fire department they came and take me to the hospital. On my first suspect in the act of the lady was someone that they gave a description of who I am, because even the bag, black bag he has that days, he didn't have anything inside despite of kitchen knife. My first suspect was three people. The first was a sitter for Aquila, because closer to the same place I met a week, 1 month or 2 months before, I met with Sister of Aquila, police officer to the, closer to the same place, and it is the border of Sister of Aquila and the City of Birian, in part of City of Aquila. And the second I was suspected was Michelle Obama, because there is some document that was sent to her for me. The third it was a judge who made their decision through the police of King County Sheriff. A woman came in that days, Latino came in that days, reflecting of them. It was who Georgia Veronica. I oppose also this question to the King County Superior Court, who is responsible to all Georgia, to answer me if she could make the decision of the motion I filed to request a new case is scheduled. Um, that I share with you. Because I has already issue with you, and I got the answer from my judge. If it does, it would be interesting to know the answer. And for me, I find it is good when you share with someone and you find the answer to what you share with someone. You need to share with that person what is the result to what you have been sharing with you. This is the appellate court of August 2nd decision that they made in my favor against, for the case against Red Roof Hotel, and the judge opinion. Okay, this one is the judge opinion also after the on the entered on August 2nd. And finally, I got also another one. The last one is the certificate of mandate. The Court of Appeal filed for termination of review after waiting if the defendant could oppose to the judge's decision by filing a motion for reconsideration or petition for review, but the defendant did not file it. Those are the fact of the answer I got from what I share with you. What happened, and not also I raised it for one of my video you received, that whenever Barack Obama will have a party with Michelle, or will take a Michelle for any place or something pleasure to make Michelle wonderful, I must be wounded. I must be fired from work. I must be arrested. I must be beaten. It's part of this video through what I have been through since last week and yesterday. Yesterday was the fact of what I have been through since last week. Last week, I have an issue that I could be fired from a work, and I use my knowledge, my talent, and the God spirit to keep my job. But I suspect that there was something between either the from a governors or appellate court or King County or Barack Obama and his wife Michelle. Those was because it is obviously that I must have got fired and they have been doing all of these years. Then I cannot make a share with you without having fact. But yesterday was the fact. Why I supposed to be fired innocently, and through the knowledge and what I am contributed to the company, I could not. But it happened to my previous Java Messer distribution. The same game they play, the same is now. It happened to one of my job at Port of West Seattle, Port of Seattle, at the tried seafood in 2015. But those area that I was fired immediately without excuse. But this time, even though I'm in the process of being fired from work, but God give me a little more smartness. Whenever those sign language present, I need to take a precaution. Yesterday, I didn't know about Barack was preparing and to publish the issue of his their presidential library with Michelle Obama. I didn't have no idea. I didn't sing anything about it. But I know inside that something was against me at work. I went to work. First singing language, I saw the girl, Congolese girl came from Chicago in 2015. That subject immediately, 2 days after I was fired from Tried Seafood, was hired last week in the company where I'm working. I said, suspicious. And then, oh, this lady here. And my reflection was, oh, I will have a trouble here. Yesterday. And yesterday again, I won't have someone I'm working from Africa, I'm working regularly. Really for me to change working with him. Except that he's not there, so then I will get someone else. And they change the schedule immediately, and they know that I had a problem with black boys and girls in the place. Since I had been there, I don't have any authorization to get a training into the area that is new for me. Despite of training me, they prefer to train black slave boys and girls. But I don't have a choice. I don't speak because I know that I needed to leave and I'll be outside. I don't have even a ticket to go back to my country. Then I just close my eyes and be stupid, like I don't see it, like I don't hear. Yesterday, they changed the person that I'm working with. We don't have any problem that I must obligation work with a black slave boy and a girl. I fill in immediately, got fired if I refuse. Okay, I accept to work with them. But first, you need to give me a copy of leader position was posted and I signed the first person before the black boy signed the black boy you selected to take a position was assigned. I am the one signed first. If you follow the chronology of people first signing as you just told me, then I start working with them. Oh, okay, we're going to give you. Then I accepted to work with the boys. The boy, you can see that is someone that must do anything to fire. Then I use God spirit to work. I use my humbleness. I use my education. Finally, the boy run away from working with me, which I would even refuse to work with other people. And my first person, the first person training me at the work, had called me to work with her together. When I came home, two things I received. First, I received a decision of appellate court. They transferred my case against the city of Tapila, King County, and the state of Washington to the judge. That's first one. And the second one I got was today. Yes, it was today this morning when I checked my Toro. Then they found that Barack Obama, the United States, the former United States President Barack Obama, sent me to twist me about uh, him and Michelle joy over their dream of presidential library has become a reality. I was shocked and surprised. Ah, those people are continuously sought to deter my life for no reason. That is why I suffer today at work and almost lose my job. That's God that saved me, and thank you to my God. I am innocent lady. I came innocently. I'm strong in the years. I could not work, and it is just now I start working. And each time I start working, the black slave must be hired. Either beat me, either fire me, either be arrested to destroy my record. I am a completely innocent woman who bought a visa, work a permit to come in the United States, and leave my job, my dream of be working, my dream of be a model, my dream of be a mom, my dream of even a graduate in a university in Europe, and I became a slave pickup of Michelle Obama. A woman has a private woman like me, make me be a sterile woman, a known woman, a single woman. At the time that I'm in school now, if I had my boyfriend with me, it's someone we can share even living expense. And I am doing everything. And you want to take me from the work that is not the work of a government. It's a private work. To be on a street, for me to take care of someone is not my child. Their mama has a pussy to take them out. Me, I could not have that child, a man to take a child, and you want to fire me from a work to save Michelle Obama, to give them a choice, and to make me suffering. Yesterday, I was in the joy of glorified my Lord and my God for saving me from the world. And I'm continuing all the day to ask my God to protect me again, to affect, to, for me to go back and continue work, and ask Michelle Obama and Barack Obama and the children they have, their biological children, and the children that have been have around the world to stay away from me, like Barack. You know, despite over this issue, you are using me sexually nights and days before any event you have been doing or travel you have been doing in the White House until now, until yesterday. I know that those feelings came from me. I can leave you. And God will make a decision between you and I. Michelle, ask a divorce you. You say no. I keep you for me to use you a immigrant lady whenever you like it. I will make you. I will really make a Michelle happy, and I will make a immigrant lady suffer for you. Michelle, God will bless. If it the reconsideration of marriage with Michelle, and for me to be deterred until age I can have a child and continuously working for Michelle, no, I will not accept it. I'm looking at the ticket. I will have a ticket. Even where I think where you guys moved to live in the jungle, some people could have been, they have a transportation to reach. I will reach one day because I believe in God. God works. And God is always, God will be my answer. Thank you uh, for listening to this video. Just sharing with you because I have raised the issue of uh, whenever they have a party, whenever you want to make a happy life, whenever call over to make a decision on the case I'm spending for my own package, he must make a Michelle a wonderful woman, a talented woman, a joyful woman, and for me to be separated. But I text you because I was not arrested. I was not fired, even though I don't know what is going to happen next tomorrow. Thank you, and God bless you. Uh, my sister Maggie, only should first you and your wife know me because she's tall like you. She has a light skin like my dad, like you. Know me. I'm a short lady with a dark skin. I'm not your talent, but I cannot leave you. Thank you, and God bless you.